Hello. Hello. So I'm with Spencer. He's helping me out.
Taking out the thing.
We're about to take out the differential, the diff, because I'm ready to go sliding with my friends now. But yeah, we're gonna get this prep cleaned up, and we're gonna take it to my buddy's house, Mikhail. So, and then look at Spencer's overalls.
Yeah, I got the coveralls.
So
eBay spent.
he's ready to rock and
New York.
New York. So he's ready to rock and roll. And of course, our shop dog, Lady, say hi. Say hi. Oh, and also here's I got this from the mail a few days ago. I got too excited, so I kind of opened it up. I got a door handle, exterior, because this one is broken.
It's busty.
Busted.
Bustin' Jeeber.
But so we'll do that maybe later on. And also bought this on the way home from work, some brake cleaner to clean that diff. So we got the car up and ready, and we gotta go to Spencer's house because I don't have this bolt size.
Yeah, the drain bolt's a 24. I brought like my socket set for like draining fluids out of trans and diffs, and clearly it's not gonna do the job, you know.
Yeah. So
Completely different from what I would have expected.
So we're about to go to his house, grab it, and come back.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I think I broke something. Like maybe my tool. Let's see. Oh no, I broke it loose. That's good.
Lady, no.
She's kicking rocks at my back. Oh, nice.
You got it?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Okay, this is gonna be the icky part.
Oh, unplug that thing. Oh, you did? Alright.
Yeah. Thank you for looking out for me.
No
I don't
problem.
want to put my hands in that fluid.
Yeah. That's some 30-year-old fluid. Ooh.
Oh, I just put my hand in it again. Rag, please.
Rag. Hell yeah. Doing the drip. The drip.
Probably from the top, if you can.
Mm-hmm.
Like up against that cylinder. Let's take a look. You see? We got this side up.
Ooh, look at that.
Wet axle.
Wet boys.
It's very greasy. Still got diff fluid on it. They're the same.
Same.
Yeah. But just for the sake of continuity, I want to put this one back where it came from, and then put this one back where it came
Should I
from.
put tape as left?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can put a tape and put driver, passenger. That would be perfect. Like a little bit of painter's tape.
Cool.
Off. Now moving on to the bolts that hold the diff in. I'll just make sure they're all loose with this breaker bar, and then I can probably use a zippy gun with like a long extension.
Lady, come on now. We're playing. We're fixing our cars. We're playing cars. Daryl's here. Say hello to the vlog. There's his sweet MK7?
Mark 7.
Mark 7. And then stop by, check out what's going on this car. And we're taking out the drive shaft, and also we also got the axles out too.
Yup. Now we're just getting the last diff bolts.
And we're gonna clean that sucker up. Alright. Where is he gonna weld it? Yeah.
So we watched this video where somebody stuck in
Yeah.
really tiny piece of like 1 inch by 1 inch steel in that hole, and just like burned the fuck out of it.
And
like,
this
on
hole
both
right here?
sides. Yeah, on 2 sides. To like get it to stay together.
So we got the diff out. It's really nasty. And yeah, I'm gonna get this prepped now. What do you think, Daryl? Nice.
Yeah, I think another $3,000 will be good.
Fuck.
Yeah, this diff is for sale. The price of Ae86 has gone up, so we want $2,000 for this diff.
Yeah.
You know, like Jay-Z is like $5,000. I think
About
$2,000 is fair.
Yeah.
Alright, so we got the diff ready. We're gonna go clean it up later on. I gotta buy some brushes. The boys over here just chilling, straight chilling. And,
Yucky.
so Daryl left, Spencer left, and I'm gonna work on the door handle. So, alright, I took out the door handle, and it was pretty easy. The door handle working, and I got the diff ready to go for Sunday. So for now I'm gonna chill until Sunday so Mikhail can get the welding going. So see you Sunday. Good morning, guys. It's Sunday. I'm going to my buddy Mikhail's house. I got the differential right here and this orange bucket. And yeah, we're about to weld this diff so I can go skidding. So, all right, we're at Mikhail's house. Mikhail, Lori, Steven. Hey. And then we're breaking the bolts on Steven's GS. He's about to do the same thing as me, weld the diff. Here you go. Got a hammer? Yeah.
measuring the depth of these gears to make some little plates to drop in there.
And you gotta cut these.
Yeah, and then just.
So we got Steven's diff drain, and we opened it up the pumpkin LSD. And Mikhail, is it pretty hard to do, or you gotta make something?
We're just gonna make a plate to drop in there to connect all 4 gears, and just weld it around. That should be it.
So what do you gotta do, Steven?
I'm just cleaning this shit real quick because it's oily and whatnot.
And what are you using? Brake cleaner?
Brake cleaner. Oh yeah.
Steven, you excited?
Little bit of a cardboard CAD right here. Just drop in there.
Boom, ready. You don't have to weld it.
If you watch the welding video, right?
Oh.
With your welding mask on, can you see? Can you see the weld? Yeah. No, you know what I mean. Like.
Okay.
Oh, there you go, like bacon.
Right? Yeah. Let me turn the light on, sure.
Stick the gun in and just weld
Yeah,
it.
just stick them in the wall. That's it.
Put the helmet on first. Oops.
Go through this. Oh, there, that's a better angle. So just go straight down that way. So like angle it. Right there. Well, you'll know if you can do this, because I couldn't do this anymore.
Yeah.
Drift boys.
Pockets are filled. So, Mikhail, you got the diff welded, so I'm gonna use up all the brake cleaner. And then let it rest, and then the homie Spencer's gonna help me install it when he comes back in town, so for now, I'm just gonna clean it up. I know there's like a little bit of like sparks from welding, so get it prep, and then probably get some gear oil from AutoZone. And then Mikhail was telling me that put it on, put some gear oil, run it for a little bit, and drain the gear oil, and put it in new gear oil so you can take all the shavings out. So, other than that, look like he's ready to go. Okay. All right, so this is the end of the video. Mick, if you need any like stuff done, like metal work, just hit him up on his IG, right here. And then Steven, he got his differential ready to go. So yeah, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Say bye. Thanks, Mick.
Good job,
Brown skin, I be standing pops and I be rocking it when I be in your vicinity. All style synergy, recognize symmetry. Corks out of injure me, broke them down chemically. Ain't the number 10 MC, talking about hopping I be style.